Alright, I'm working on my 04 Dodge Ram. Today the tilt steering decided it didn't want to work anymore. So I did some looking, and you'll see this tab right here. When I turn it, pulls that collar. Well, the collar broke. This is supposed to be held on here like that. Here's the missing piece. So I'm going to see if I can do some sort of a quick fix to hold that together, make it work again. I'll bring you right back. Alright, so I just simply took a couple zip ties, zip tied that back up there. All you have to do is pull this panel down. It's just two pull tabs to access it. You don't have to take the steering column apart, you don't have to do anything. And fixed. That simple. So I hope that makes it easier for somebody else. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.